Built over 100 years ago, Austin High School is the oldest school in the district and requires critical repairs and upgrades.
The improvements are important for the school and community because a lot of our buildings, most of our buildings are 70 to 100 years old and no longer meet today's safety, accessibility, or learning needs. Some of our greatest challenges at the high school is a large portion of our restrooms and locker rooms are not ADA compliant. Along with, we need to upgrade our fire alarm system to modernize it, and we have some pretty big electrical and HVAC upgrades. And then the fire alarm systems, it's been shown that voice over instead of alarm or buzzing will get people's attention and get them out of the building quicker. With deferred maintenance, the longer we push it off, we run into more emergency and more costly repairs. We're just not able to do everything we want with our annual funding that's allowed to us. So this referendum would give us a chance to hit a wide range of it.
Visit the Accelerate Austin website to learn more about proposed plans for the high school and other facilities in the district.